Hello everyone, welcome to So Aldo. On today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a face mask. So yesterday I went to the store and I actually noticed that a lot of people were wearing face masks and I realized I don't even own one. Today I'm going to show you how to easily make that. I already cut the fabric and it measures 9 inches by 8 inches and it's gonna go like this lengthwise. And then I'm simply going to make some small pleats. I decided to do 3 pleats, but you can put at least 4. The reason why I am pleating is because when you put it on, it will follow the curve of your face. You secure them using pins. And then I will stitch it to hold the pleats in place. I'm going to hand sew it, so just in case you don't have a sewing machine, just doing a simple running stitch just to hold the pleats in place. Nothing fancy here, so you can easily do it. And it should look something like this. And then I'll go ahead and repeat the same step on the other end of the mask. And I am going to hem the 4 sides. I fold in about 1/2 inch and I'm just going to hem it all the way around just to make the mask stable. Now it's time to add the elastics on the side, and here it is about 8 inches. You can adjust it depending on your size. And here I am just hand stitching it to secure it. By the way, you can totally use your sewing machine for this project if you have one, but if you don't, you can easily hand stitch it like I am showing here. So this is the final product. I absolutely love how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I pray that you all are staying healthy, and yeah, thanks so much again, and I will see you soon. Bye!